In this video, we will be setting placeholders. Placeholders are spots where ads could potentially show. They will never show all at once. Rather, it is giving permission to Ezoic's ad tester to use these places as potential testing spots. Since we want to give Ezoic as much material to test with as possible, we need to put over 15 placeholders on one page. The first thing you need to do is download the Ezoic Chrome extension. Once you download the extension, you will see the Ezoic logo within your extensions. We recommend beginning to set ad placeholders on an article page rather than your home page, because there are many more pages like your articles than the home page, and the Ezoic Chrome extension will detect similar pages and replicate the placeholders you set. You first have to be logged into your Ezoic account to get the Ezoic Chrome extension to work. Click the Chrome extension, select Create, then click Select Location. This bar at the top will tell you that you're currently viewing your site in edit mode. It is normal for images to disappear during edit mode because the Chrome extension removes extra JavaScript during editing. The first one to add is a top-of-page placeholder above the title and sidebar. If you hover and then click, it will appear. Select Insert here. Now we have to specify where this placeholder is located. This one is top of page. Turn mobile on. Now this placeholder will be implemented on all 3 devices. Next, go to the second tab. This will show you all the sizes of ads that could show in that one spot. Ezoic's ad tester is very smart in that it does very well in automatically choosing sizes and devices this placeholder will work well on. We recommend keeping everything the way it is, so ad tester has more material to test with. The third tab will allow you to choose what pages this placeholder is allowed to show, and here we will see the setting for automatically detect similar pages. The next tab has margins and alignment. It's best to leave these two, as they are automatically set at the best default stylings. Next, click Save Placeholder. Now there is a top-of-page placeholder. If you click the drop-down menu, you can see all of the various sizes included and can see what they look like. If I add another placeholder under the title, it would also need to be designated as a top-of-page placeholder. When you set a placeholder with a particular position type, like top of page, Ezoic will automatically detect that and will only ever show one of these ads at a given time, depending on the visitor. Placeholders at the top of an article are the most important to set properly and to give Ezoic a lot of options for testing, because it is less likely that a visitor will see the second half of the page anyway. The way that the Detect Similar Pages setting works is that it finds similar elements from one article to the next and uses them to understand where a placeholder should be, such as under an image. Some things, like lists, do not always occur in every article, so using it as a spot for a placeholder may not translate well to every article. Now you can begin to work your way down your content, giving Ezoic plenty of placeholders to test with. Remember, these are not places ads will definitely show every time. They are spots where ads could show and give Ezoic spaces to test with, so the more, the better. The arrows here allow you to jump from element to element and also up, down, left, or right. Now we want to see that the placeholders from the one article are transferring to other articles properly. So we're going to turn off edit mode, navigate to a different article, and then click the Ezoic Chrome extension again, like you're going to edit placeholders on this page. Now we will go back to the home page and set up its placeholders, since home pages are very different than other pages of the website. The other thing we want to check is how this looks on mobile. If you right-click your article anywhere in the background and click Inspect, it will take you to a page where you can set your site in different devices to see how things will look. Click the mobile icon right here, and then you will see a bunch of mobile devices you can test your placeholders on. Make sure to refresh the page so you are seeing a true mobile version, not a responsive desktop version. You can go through the rest of your site and set up placeholders. Remember, the more placeholders, the better, so Ezoic has more places to test.